You're going to absolutely love this show because we pull back the curtain on the incredible science of the human body, exploring the interconnectedness of everything. Like, how does your amazing immune system work? How do you really get that perfect night's sleep? What's really happening when you exercise? Dive into these topics and more. So here's a question to start with. How many times do you breathe each day? So the answer is about 17,000. You probably don't think about it. But each breath sets off an extraordinary chain reaction inside you, a coordinated effort between your gut, brain, bones, lungs, blood, and heart. Together, they form one of nature's most remarkable survival systems. Today, we'll take a deep dive into this breathtaking process, literally. From the oxygen you inhale to the energy that powers your cells. Prepare to see your body in a way you've never seen before. The power of oxygen. Most of your body's cells depend on oxygen because it fuels aerobic respiration. This process produces adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which acts like the universal battery pack that powers every function your body performs. But here's the challenge. Oxygen doesn't just appear where it's needed. It has to travel, and the journey is far from simple. Cells can only absorb oxygen efficiently over very short distances. So your body had to evolve a brilliant transportation network. Red blood cells. You carry around 20 trillion of them, each one packed with 270 million molecules of hemoglobin, the iron-rich protein that gives blood its deep red color. But before those red blood cells can even do their job, the building blocks of life must be gathered in. That journey starts in your gut. The gut and bone connection. When you eat, your digestive system breaks food into its smallest elements, extracting nutrients like iron, the key ingredient for hemoglobin. That iron is transported through the bloodstream to special tissues in the bone marrow, where red blood cells are born. Deep inside your bones lies hemotopoietic, tissue the factory of life. Here, under the watchful regulation of your kidneys, millions of red blood cells are produced every second. In fact, your body generates about 2.5 million red blood cells. Every second, that's like producing the population of Paris every moment of your life. The brain and breathing. Of course, oxygen can't hitch a ride until it actually enters your body. That's where your brain takes charge. The brainstem sends signals through your nervous system, telling your diaphragm and rib muscles to contract. This expands your rib cage, lowers the air pressure in your lungs, and causes air to rush in. It might be tempting to think of lungs as simple balloons, but they're far more complex. Inside, your lungs contain hundreds of millions of tiny sacs called alveoli. If spread out flat, they would cover about 100 square meters, roughly the size of a tennis court. This massive surface area ensures that oxygen molecules come into close contact with red blood cells. The alveoli walls are just 2 cells thick, with capillaries pressed against them. This intimate design allows oxygen to diffuse quickly into the blood, while carbon dioxide diffuses out to be exhaled. The cardiovascular superhighway. Once oxygen joins the bloodstream, it embarks on a journey through your cardiovascular system, a network of blood vessels so vast that if laid end to end, it could circle the earth several times. Propelling blood through this endless highway requires immense power, and that's the role of your heart, beating about 100,000 times a day. Your heart ensures oxygen-rich blood reaches every corner of your body, from your brain to your toes. Each beat is a reminder that life itself depends on the seamless coordination of countless moving parts. Closing reflection. Think about it. All of this, your gut digesting food, your bones producing blood cells, your brain directing breaths, your lungs harvesting oxygen, your heart pumping tirelessly, happens automatically every second of every day, all to deliver tiny molecules of oxygen to the places they're needed most. If even one piece of this system failed, life would grind to a halt. Yet most of us rarely stop to appreciate it. So, take a deep breath now, in and out, and marvel at the silent teamwork that keeps you alive. In conclusion, if you found this journey through the human body fascinating, don't stop here. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. Check out our next video, where we explore another incredible system that shapes your health and well-being. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of discovery with WellnessHubNest. Because your body isn't just surviving, it's performing miracles every single day.